So you've probably gotten to the point where you're ready to commit to a hair transplant. The problem now is figuring out how in the world you're going to afford this. As you know, each transplant can cost upwards of $10,000. When you need multiple transplants, you're talking about investing in a down payment for a home or a car. Now, I wanted to talk a little bit about what goes into the costs of a hair transplant. A lot of places have their techs in-house versus bringing technicians for putting in the hairs in from outside. There's costs of machines and marketing, and there's the cost of materials that are involved. And then of course there's the cost of our time and rent and the expertise required to do this. That being said, some of these costs are pretty exorbitant for what we could compare in other aspects of our industry. When it comes to an overall cost, there's no surgeon in the United States that can beat the costs of getting a transplant done in a place like Turkey. That being said, the difficulty there is not knowing your product, not having any form of guarantee or regulation, and having the risk of traveling halfway around the world and not being able to adequately follow up with the surgeon. And in a sense, that's what you're paying for, because that cost difference, I would certainly recommend going over there if you're willing to let go all of those things. I've seen fantastic work from surgeons done out there. Now, that being said, when it comes to choosing your surgeon based on cost in the United States, all in all, number one, you have to be comfortable with that doctor. I always recommend going to a surgeon who does hair transplants as a passion and a profession, as opposed to someone who does it on the sides. Some of the newer companies out there are in fact created to help people who don't really do transplants that often to be able to create a hair transplant system out of their office. That being said, what our goal at our office was to set out to make this more affordable for people. We price match our total cost per graft to anyone in the region, and we have yet to find anyone to offer a lower price. And on top of price matching to Southern California at $5.50 a graft, we also use the highest quality products. We use hypothermosol, we use ATP, we use Eclipse PRP systems, and for giving you the best results, and we use the highest quality technicians with the highest quality service in a beautiful office space. I wish you luck on your journey. Thank you for completing this course. Please feel free to reach out if you'd like a complimentary 15-minute consultation. Usually they take a lot longer than 15 minutes, but if you'd like a free consultation, please reach out and contact us. Look forward to meeting you.